Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Maths with Ish, brought to you by 1 million teachers. Now, today we'll be looking at the dependent event. Recall that we have looked at the independent event and the mutually exclusive events before. So today we'll be looking at dependent event. Now, when we talk about dependent event, what does it really mean? Just as its name implies, it's talking about event that depends on another. So, for example, if we have five blue balls and four red balls here, okay, and I'm to pick two balls one after the other from this bowl. Now, without replacement, if the first ball I'll pick is a blue, my probability is going to be, remember we have five blue balls here and four red balls. So if I'm going to pick a blue ball, then my probability for picking a blue ball first is going to be 5 over the total balls here, which is the sample space, 5 over 9. Okay, so that's my probability of picking the first ball. Now, if I remove that blue ball I've picked, and I want to pick the second time, what can you observe? You observe here now that the total balls here have been reduced by 1, which means that our sample space is no longer 9, but now 8. So if I'm to pick the second ball, which I may probably call B2, so probability of picking another blue ball, B2, that is going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 of them all over the total, which is what? 8. So my probability of picking a blue ball, and if we reduce this 4 over 8, that will give us 1 over 2. So my probability of picking the second blue ball is going to be what? 1 over 2 or 4 over 8. Now, what can you observe? You observe that the probability of picking the second one is being affected by the outcome or the probability of the first one, because the first event, we did not replace it. So which means that the second event the probability of the second event was dependent on the first event. So that is what we call dependent event. And the probabilities of dependent events are known as conditional probability. So dependent events are simply events in which the outcome of one of the events depends on the outcome of the previous event. So let's stop here for now, and when we come in our next class, we'll see how to solve further problems. Thank you for watching and have a great day.